Good morning, my dear students and respectable guardians. Hoping you are well. I am none other than Mushiur Rahman on behalf of Ibrahim Memorial Shikha Niketan that is situated at Birganj in Dinajpur. Dear students, today I have appeared before you with the last class of completing sentence. So will you stay with me, dear students? Today I want to discuss the topic of completing sentence. This topic will be last and it will be the ending class. So dear students, are you ready with your script? Do you have sufficient pages before your hand? During this pandemic situation, you are staying at home but thinking how to finish your marathon syllabus. For this reason, the authority of our school has taken a practical decision to arrange this kind of online class. So I am inviting everyone in my class. Okay, let's start our task. What's my goal of today? First, today I want to discuss the topic of or the rule of or the structure of 2 plus verb as adjective as soon as, would rather, then would there, later, since, hereon, enough, to, here, let alone, last one, instead of. If Allah gives me a scope, I would like to finish my class after the discussing them. Okay, don't kill our time. First one, I want to discuss before you the structure of 2 plus verb. This 2 plus verb is also known to you as a symptom of simple sentence. In the transformation of sentence, not only in transformation of sentence, you may get this type of task in completing sentence also. So, after 2, verb will be always base. This type of verb or this sort of verb is called in the sense of grammar as infinitive. Clear? So 2 plus verb, if you see in any completing sentence, 2. After 2, if you see any type of blank, there you will apply, there you will use any type of verb. This verb will be base. Like the synonym of in order to, somewhere you may get in order to. 2 plus verb is the synonym of in order to. Either you may get this 2 plus verb otherwise, or you may get in order to, but the spares will be same. Clear? So you have understood from my speech that 2 plus verb, otherwise in order to plus verb, the mood of verbs will be the same. Means after 2 plus verb or in order to, there will be verb base form. There will be verb will be, dear student. Do you have any problem to see? I think you don't have any problem to look at my gesture, posture also. I am trying my best to show you my capability. Okay. Then I have written here an example of like this paradigm. What does this paradigm say? Bayezid woke up as early as possible. Do you know about Bayezid? Bayezid is also a common figure in our story. Bayezid woke up as early as possible too. For why Bayezid woke up? 2. After 2 there, structure says, this structure says you to use verb will be base. Clear? 2. Queens. To quench his mother's thirst. Clear? For why Bayezid woke up, we have understood from this sentence. This sentence refers to us like Bayezid woke up as early as possible from his bed to quench his mother's thirst. Clear? Okay, you have understood that the spares or the uses of 2 plus verb or in order to plus verb will be the same mood. Clear? Okay, next I want to discuss you. Also, I want to tell you here an important speech that suppose if you don't have this type of rule, except you may get here like with a view to, mind, look forward to, addicted to, prefer to, get used to, used to. If you find, in case you see these types of words, after these types of words, verb will be gerund. Verb will be gerund. I am telling orally before your hands, before you also, that in absence of to plus verb, otherwise in order to, if you get with a view to, addicted to, prefer to, look forward to, mind, would you mind, or cannot help, could not help, after these types of tasks that have been told by me, there will be verb always gerund. Okay, I don't have, or I think you have understood. Clear? Next, my motive is to go. Number 2. Dear student, in this panic, you are thinking when the activities of our school will be started. Dear students, you will not think, you will not be worried. Either our schools will be open or closed. It will not be your headache. The authority of our school has taken a decision to take this kind of class available so that you can minimize your whole syllabus. Okay, next, letter task. What do you see? This structure bears a testimony before your eyes that adjective as is as usually seen in also where we may get in positive degree. Am I right? Are you right also? Dear students, adjective as is the symptom of positive degree. In absence of this kind of positive degree, if you find this kind of sentence like here, I have written here an example. She helped me. You want to know, sir, what's the rule of here? Here I would like to mention you that in case you see as adjective plus s in this sphere, you need to apply here possibility modal verb. Possibility modal verb. Dear student, which verb do you need? You need after this kind of s, you need subject plus possibility modal verb. Possibility synonym capability. Okay, like here, if you see, in case you see before this as much as past indefinite, then it will be here. The remaining part of as much or as adjective, that will be also sentence. Clear? She helped me as much. Structure says that after adjective we need here, what do you? As. Next, subject. Here, she word is known to us as third person singular number. Here me is the passive mood. Clear? So what is the pronoun of me? I. So the motive of her is to help me. Clear? She helped me as much as she could. In this sense, in this regard, I may say, if this sentence comes to you, if this structure comes to you as like as a positive degree, how may be above? Suppose or guess, dear student, do you guess this sentence? How can you feel or how can you feel? You may feel or feel both. You have seen here, after as you have seen here a particular subject, means doer. Subject synonym, doer. But in this sentence tells you, sometimes this sentence tells you as adjective as plus subject plus another possibility modal verb. Here no scope of applying. So how can you feel? You will understand, you will think that will be uses of positive degree. Clear? Suppose if I want to write I auxiliary verb, you know that in any sentence there must have the existence of auxiliary verb, modal verb or verb. Otherwise this sentence will be meaningless. Clear? I am, then here as, then we need here positive degree. Positive degree always refers to as any kind of adjective. Clear? So we need here adjective. I am as attentive as you, or you are as attentive as I. Clear? Okay, next. I don't want to kill your valuable time. Instead of teaching another one, let's enter into C. Okay, dear students, dear learner. Now I want to teach you the structure of as soon as. Here, it is an emerging rule that you may get at a time 4 rules. How many rules you may get here? 4 rules. Like as soon as, no sooner had, hardly had, last one, scarcely had. My dear students, you may have not any problem, don't worry. You will be always easy mood. If you are in easy mood, the tools may help. In the part of as soon as, there must have past indefinite. Dear student, I am writing here, just you may guess. In as soon as clause, first will be past indefinite, second will be also past indefinite. Remaining the part of as soon as, that will be past indefinite. In the middle there will be clause. Clear? No sooner had, first it will be past perfect, middle there will be then, here will be also past indefinite. Clear? Hardly had, three, here, when, here it will be past indefinite. Dear student, are you understanding? I am marking here so that you can understand them easily. Do you see this board? Is this board visible to you? Okay. Next here, scarcely had. A scarcely had always says you as soon as, like hardly had. 3, when, 2. You can ask me a question. What does this 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 say? They say you the particular tense. Clear? Suppose I have written an example in the beginning of sentence. As soon as he assisted me, assist means assist word has come from the noun of assistance, means synonym help. Clear? As soon as he assisted me, this structure says that first past indefinite where assisted, ed. Then here I have given here clause. Next tense, remaining part of as soon as, that will be also past indefinite. As soon as he assisted me, first person, I. Past indefinite, I thank this. Third person male, I thank him. Okay? Have you guessed? Okay. Next, later part. My dear affectionate students, now I want to discuss you the rule of would rather. Would rather, Bangla would rather is borrow. Clear? You want to see the sphere of would rather. I want to see the structure of would rather. Subject, would rather, plus subject would rather, verb will be base form, plus you may get one kind of sentence in connector, means conjunction like then, plus another after this then or after this conjunction, the verb will be always base form. Okay, dear student, have you understood? Have you get? Okay, suppose I have written an example. See it properly. Notice here is an existence of would rather. After this would rather, what do you see? Verb star. really, starve word has come from the noun of starvation. Anahare, anahar, abukto. Clear? So verb is base. This verb has not been added. Yes or yes. It has not been added with ed. So it is obviously present tense. Clear? So she would rather starve. Here what do we need now? Then. What do you need another substitute of verb? Which verb will be applicable? Which verb will be important? Which verb will be matchful? Here. Then steal. What do you mean by steal? Steal means which is accused of theft. Churi kora, stealing. Okay, dear student, now I want to discuss you the later part. Okay, next question. Here, would that is the synonym of had, if, or, wish, or were. Okay, dear student. Otherwise, you may get I wish. Okay, meaning or the synonym. Do you want to know the meaning of had, if, wish, were? Intentional. Intentional or imagination. Kalpana. Clear? Structure says that in the sphere of would that first you need subject, after subject, or in the first page of would that you may get also would that structure. The student, it's my structure. Would that, after would that, what do you need? Subject. After subject, you need to have possibility of modal verb. Which modal verb may be helpful here? Clear? Would that she, or would that subject, plus here, verb will be past form. If you see any kind of UP or UP mean, did you enjoy my last class? In my last class or previous classes I told you the elaboration of UP says as unreal past. Otherwise RP, real past. Clear? This verb past always says you real past. But if you see here, where it will be told you as unreal past, intentional or desire. Clear? Okay, dear student, but last of all will be an symptom of exclamation mark. Suppose for an idiom, would that she could be, then it has been given incompleted. She could be a climber of mountain, like Mount Everest. Clear? Okay, have you guessed? I thought you have understood my class perfectly. Next, where do you want to go? Respond me. Dear student, are you sleeping? No, you will not sleep at the time of reading. Clear? Okay, next. Another rule of since. First I want to mention you, I want to highlight you. If since tells you the purpose of point of time, what does say? Point of time. That will be present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Which tense? I am telling again, I am pronouncing again before your eyes. If since or in case since says you, tells you, indicates you point of time, it will be used from a particular tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, suppose I want to write an example. or also an illustration. I have written here, she has dashed since 2012. Have you guessed? Can you think? Do you have not any possibility to feel? Okay, dear students, I have overview about this kind of matter that you will be able. She has, this tense will be obviously present perfect continuous tense. She has been studying in this institution since 2012. Clear? Okay. Then I want to highlight you, in case it does not tell you any point of time, how can you use? Here are 3 rules. How many rules? Dear students, in case since tells you any kind of timing or happening fact, in case since tells you timing, there will be 3 rules like before this tense, if you see present indefinite, here it will be past indefinite. Luckily or unluckily, fortunately or unfortunately, if you see here present perfect, here it will be also past indefinite, means the mode of tenses will be the same, but it will be an emerging task that if you see or in case you see before this since past indefinite, here it will be obviously past perfect. Dear student, will you not be able to remember? I think you will be able. Clear? Suppose you want to see an example. Have you written? Dear student, have you noted down? You will note down. Okay? Have you written? Okay, I want to do the later task. Example. In this regard or in this sense, you need an example. Like, since I saw you last. What does this sense tell you? This sense tells you that this sense always says you the meaning of happening or timing. Since I saw you, here verb has come from past indefinite. So you can use here 2 things. You can use here twice things. One can be present indefinite, other can be present perfect. Clear? Suppose three months have passed. 3 months have passed. What have you seen? In this before this tense you have seen here present perfect, after this past indefinite. Clear? Can I go on the later task? Because I want to finish my class within the fixed time. Enough always says you the Bangla or the synonym of possibility, capability. Clear? Where this kind of enough.2 will say you the meaning of possibility or capability. Clear? Suppose an example. You want to see an example. The Lord is enough light to. Clear? What have you seen? You have seen there enough to. Obviously, there must have an example. There must be a fixed rule. Enough to. This load is enough light. Light means here light not means indicate to you any kind of candle light. Light means halka. Okay, this load is enough light to uplift it. Means you want to know the structure easily. In a nutshell, if I want to say you the structure of enough.2 will always say you the possibility where after 2 you need base 4. Next, later on. let alone. Clear? Let alone always says as nothing here. Let alone always says as nothing have. Impossibility. 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 Dear students, in this natural disaster, you will understand, you will be safe and sound within 4 walls, and you will gaze. You will try to look at this types of online class again and again, and you will share with your friends who are out of you. Clear? Suppose, what do we need? Let alone. I don't have a SIM card. Let alone. Dear student, have you guessed? This sentence may tell you the meaning. Let alone means not possibility. Here, SIM card. Having SIM card is an easier task, except being an owner or being an owner of mobile phone. So we may use here what the rule of let alone. Let alone always says as meaning of negative. Let alone. After let alone there we will apply one noun. Means I don't have a mobile phone. Let alone I am thinking to be. Let alone I have a mobile phone, but I have been a owner of SIM card. Clear? Okay, last one. Last discussion is about instead of. Instead of is the synonym of in lieu of. Bangla পরিবর্তে accept synonym without you will understand it easily. Okay, instead of, after this instead of always says you, it is one kind of phrase preposition. Dear students, in my class I taught you about the knowledge of preposition. It is this type of word or this type of task is called like phrase preposition. Okay, if you see after this phrase preposition, verb will be always Jiran. You will understand, you will remember that, you will recall in your brain, you will keep in your brain that after every preposition verb will be Jiran, except to. Clear? But this structure may come in this style. Suppose she took agriculture instead of. Dear student, in case you see before this instead of, if you see any verb past, later on will be also past indefinite. But if this sentence always says you, if this sentence always indicates you any kind of institutional subject, after instead of you will put only one kind of illustration or also institutional subject. Like she took agriculture instead of. What can you take as for alternative or fourth subject? Agriculture is used instead of hire man. Clear, dear student? Have you guessed? I think you have understood my class. So I want to give you now home task. So you may open your script. I am preparing myself to give you home task. My dear affectionate students, I told you to prepare your script. Are you ready? I think you have opened your script and note down this home task in your script sincerely. I have given you 8 sentences. You may copy. Dear students, do you see? Copy the sentences. Unless you follow your syllabus, you may have problem when our schools will be opened. So I am advising, also requesting you to follow this kind of online classes available, and you will share with your friends who have or whose parents have smartphone available. You may keep communication with the another to follow or to share this kind of structure. If you have any impossibility, just you may give me call, or you may give me any kind of message to understand these structures easily. Okay, so I am telling you Helen Hardy, you will be safe and sound, and this lesson is going to be finished today. In my upcoming class, I will teach you another structure, another topic. Okay, thank you very much.